Let's face it, we all know someone who's battling from depression or anxiety. Well, thankfully, there's a new therapy out there, and it's called Nexalin Therapy. And joining us to talk about that therapy is Mark White from Mind and Body Clinic in Crocker Park. Mark, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Good to be here.
Nexalin Therapy, it's a new term. What is it, and how does it work?
Well, so it's a frequency generator. We use it in a brain-based health scenario. When we start talking about anxiety and depression, insomnia, some of the more popular ones are additionally are ADHD, PTSD. What we're talking about is a brain that's unhealthy. It's been chemically altered in some way. What Nexalin does is it creates a frequency. So the brain's language is frequency, and what we're doing is we're stimulating a part of the brain that's associated with the balance of the chemistry in the brain. The result is the relief of all symptoms related to anxiety, depression, insomnia, and all the related conditions.
Which is a very good thing for a lot of people out there. So is it FDA cleared?
Absolutely, for anxiety, depression, and insomnia.
What does your company think about pills? Because obviously if someone thinks that they're depressed or anxiety, the first thing they do is they call their doctor and they get a bunch of pills.
Well, our opinion is, so first of all, we're not against pills. We believe there's a time and a place for pills, and it's not all the time. Number two, everyone's familiar with the commercials on TV, and there's always a picture or a silhouette of somebody that's very happy and enjoying life, and in the background you have a tape playing of what we call the side effects.
The side effects are longer than the commercial.
Exactly.
The benefits, that is.
Exactly. And in the magazines, you have a 2-page printed marketing piece and a page and a half for side effects, okay? So again, that tells us that something's wrong. Something's not working as it pertains to medication. So the idea here with Nexalin is to normalize the brain by using its own ability or its own internal structures that regulate its balance. And that's what this is about. It's a natural, drug-free treatment solution for all the mood disorders specifically related to the anxiety and depression. So there's no more medications. The obvious question is, does it have any side effects? So from a marketing standpoint, there are no adverse side effects. We like to tell our clients that the only side effects are good side effects, so they're all very positive.
Depending on the person's depression or anxiety, the severity of it, do they have to come in for more treatments? What's a treatment like, and how many time on an average do people have to come in and get this treatment?
Great. So the treatment lasts 40 minutes. 10 to 20 sessions over a 2 to 4 week period is all that the client needs. It's important to mention that it's undetectable. So the patients frequently say, well, what am I going to feel? Nothing. You're going to feel absolutely nothing. More than likely, you're going to sleep. 80% of the time, we'll sleep, because what we're doing is activating, again, we're balancing the brain and we're activating the chemical system of the brain associated with good moods. So 40 minutes, 10 to 20 sessions, undetectable, in a quiet room, in a chair, and you're done.
And we're going to end on that, in a great mood. If you want to learn more, there's a lot of information. Mind and Body Clinic at Crocker Park, 440-723-9800, or go to their website, mindandbodycrockerpark.com. Thank you, Mark.